Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. A few days ago, a subscriber asked me a question by email. Here's the question. Assalamualaikum sir. May I ask you for advice? I have a neighbor who keeps chickens and every day the chickens dirty my yard. Am I allowed to take legal action against them? Please provide an explanation, sir. Alright, to answer this question and provide a solution, I will leave it to my mysterious assistant. My Mr. Assistant, answer please the question, please.
This issue relates to environmental disturbances and the responsibilities of animal owners. In Indonesian law, such cases are regulated under the Indonesian Civil Code, KUH Perdata, particularly regarding the liability of animal owners, as well as certain regional regulations on public order. Below is an explanation. Legal basis. 1. Article 1365 of the Indonesian Civil Code. The chicken owner can be held liable for negligence causing damage. This article states, every unlawful act that causes harm to another person obliges the person at fault to compensate for the harm caused. 2. Article 1368 of the Indonesian Civil Code. The owner of an animal is liable for all damages caused by their animal. The owner of an animal, or anyone using it, is responsible for the damage caused by the animal while it is under their control, whether the animal is lost or has escaped. 3. Regional regulations, PERDA. In some areas, there are regional regulations, PERDA, that govern public order, including prohibiting animals from disturbing neighbors. Resolution steps. 1. Mediation with the neighbor. Discuss the issue amicably with the neighbor. Explain the impact their chickens have on the cleanliness and comfort of your home. Express your expectation that they keep their chickens from entering your home, for example, by building a proper coop. 2. Involving the RTRW leader. If direct discussions do not resolve the issue, report the matter to the RT, neighborhood head, or RDUG community head. They can mediate to resolve the issue peacefully. 3. Involving village or sub-district officials. If the problem persists, you can escalate it to village or sub-district officials. They often have mechanisms for handling disputes between residents. Legal action. If the issue continues and causes significant damage, you can file a lawsuit in court based on Articles 1365 and 1368 of the Indonesian Civil Code. Ensure you have evidence, such as photos or videos of the chickens entering your house and defecating, as well as witnesses to support your claim. Tips: documentation. Keep evidence such as photos, videos, or a record of incidents. Amicable approach. Try to resolve the issue amicably first, as legal action tends to be time-consuming and costly. Check regional regulations. Review whether there are regional regulations in your area governing animal disturbances. If you need further assistance, you can consult a lawyer or a legal aid office in your area. The issue of a neighbor's chickens frequently entering your house and dirtying the environment is generally categorized as a civil dispute or an administrative violation. regulated under regional regulations, Paraturandera or PERDA. However, in certain cases, this issue can fall under criminal law if specific criteria are met. Below is an explanation regarding the possible resolution through criminal law. Criminal Law Basis 1. 1. Article 489 of the Indonesian Penal Code, K. Minor violations. If the chickens are allowed to roam freely, illegally, and damage property or the environment, the owner may be considered in violation of this provision. Anyone who, due to their negligence, allows their animals to damage another person's property shall be punished by imprisonment of up to 6 days or a fine of no more than 250 rupiah. In practice, the fine will be adjusted according to the latest regulations. 2. Article 167 of the Indonesian Penal Code, KUHP, trespassing or entering a yard without permission. If the chickens are considered part of the owner's responsibility, and the owner intentionally or negligently allows the chickens to enter your yard, this can be categorized as trespassing. Anyone who enters someone else's yard without permission and remains there despite being asked to leave by the rightful owner can be penalized. In the case of chickens, this can be debated as indirect responsibility of the owner. 3. Law number 32 of 2009 on environmental protection and management. If the chickens cause pollution or environmental damage, the owner may face administrative or criminal sanctions under this law. 4. Regional regulations PERDA. In some areas, PERDA imposes light criminal sanctions on animal owners who cause public disturbances, including chickens entering neighbors' homes and causing harm. Criminal Law Resolution Procedure. 1. Initial mediation. Before escalating the matter to criminal law, it is recommended to mediate through the neighborhood head, RTRW, or village officials. This step is often required before filing a report with the police. Number 2. Reporting to the police. If mediation fails and you experience significant harm, you can report the issue to the police with the following grounds: negligence causing property damage, public disturbance. You must provide evidence, such as documentation, photos, videos of the chickens entering and dirtying your home, testimonies from neighbors who have experienced similar issues, proof of damages, e.g. property damage or cleaning costs. 3. Police action. The police will summon both parties for questioning. If elements of a crime are found, the legal process may proceed. 4. Court proceedings. If the case moves forward, the court will determine whether the chicken owner's actions meet the criteria for a criminal offense and decide on appropriate sanctions. Considerations. 1. Focus on evidence. Criminal cases require strong evidence to prove negligence or malicious intent by the chicken owner. 2. Effectiveness of resolution. Criminal resolution can be time-consuming and costly. Consider whether the issue can be resolved amicably or through village officials instead. 3. Appropriate legal approach. If the damages are material, e.g., your home becomes dirty every day, a civil law approach is often faster and more efficient. If you decide to pursue criminal law, ensure you have all relevant evidence and consult a lawyer or legal expert to take steps in accordance with applicable regulations.